Welcome. Looking for a reliable way to share and preserve your research data? SWISSUbase is the solution supported by Force. It helps you organize and structure your projects, datasets, and files. When your data is well structured and documented, it becomes easy to share and reuse in the future. Managing your research projects, datasets, and files can be tricky. Multiple formats, scattered documentation, and incomplete metadata put your data at risk. SWISSUbase simplifies research data management by helping you organize, document, and curate your data. It's a secure platform, Core Trust Seal certified, compliant with FAIR principles, and free for researchers. In the full tutorial, you'll explore the three-level architecture: project, dataset, and files, and learn how SWISSUbase helps structure and showcase your research. To explore the full tutorial and see SWISSUbase's three levels in action, scan the QR code now. For more information, visit SWISSUbase.ch or check out our resources on info.swissubase.ch or on forcecenter.ch, including tips, updates, and the latest datasets available. Thank you for watching.